This single mistake is why your website gets hacked. Hackers take advantage of this particular mistake to harvest information from your site and compromise the website, and that is leaving your default login URL. Leaving WP admin is a very dangerous thing to do while working on your website. So I'm going to be showing you in this video how to change your default login URL to make it even more difficult for hackers to access your site. So if this is what you want, so just stick with me to the end of this video so I give you a complete breakdown of how to do this step by step. So the first thing we need to do is to log in to our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so right here on your WordPress dashboard, the next thing we need to do is go to plugins and add new plugin. We search for the plugin WPS. So this is it right here. So we click on install. We will go ahead and activate it. Okay, so once the activation is done, all you need to do is go down, go to the left side of your WordPress dashboard and locate settings. Under settings, you're going to see WPS Hide Login. So just click on it. So right here, you can see login. So this is where you now put the extension you want, the login URL you'd like to use to access your site. So the reason why you need to do this is to make it difficult for hackers to even access your dashboard. Think of it like this: when somebody comes to your house and they know where your door is, it's very easy for them to break the door. But if your door is hidden, they wouldn't even know how to even start to even access the house. So when you change this login, it's now different from the thousands and millions of WordPress logins available. So they don't even know where to even log in to start with, not to talk of using brute force to hack your website. So it's very important to change this. So for this, I'm going to just use maybe I'll just say GTech. So my URL login dashboard will be geesixglobal.com.ng/GTech, not the regular /WP-admin. So now, anybody that enters that WP-admin, where should it take them to? That is the redirection URL. So before now, I used to have like the 404 page, but what I'll just do, I'll just confuse them and take them back to home page. So all you need to do now is just click on save. So we'll go ahead and test it. So let's go to the front end of our website. This is the site I just built for review. So we're going to now type in your URL /WP-admin, and let's see if it still takes us to the login dashboard. Okay, so now let's try and see if it takes us to the dashboard. So we use geesixtech /geesixtech. So let's click and see if it takes us to the dashboard. So you can see it brought us to this dashboard right now. So let's try the old login URL. So let's say /WP-admin login. So you can see it brought us to the home page. You can see the URL up there. It brought us back to the home page. So this is how you can change your login dashboard to something else that is not the regular WP admin that everybody knows. This would reduce the hacking attempt on your website. Okay guys, you can see that this works perfectly. I would also like to mention that when you uninstall the plugin, this stops working. So provided the plugin is still installed on your computer, this will be active. So once you uninstall the plugin, this stops working. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel. I will be dropping more tech tips for you. So I'll see you in the next video.